Hello everyone and welcome to our bilingual story time today with the Putnam County District Library. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a nuestra hora de cuentos bilingüe con la Putnam County District Library. Today we are going to sing and learn and create something all about ducks. Hoy vamos a aprender y cantar y crear algo con los patitos. Here I have my little duck friend. Aquí tengo mi amigo Patito, and he is going to help us learn and sing. Él va a ayudarnos a cantar y aprender y todo. Okay? We are going to learn a song first. Vamos a aprender una canción primero. It goes like this. Little ducks go quack, 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 quack. Little ducks go quack, quack, quack in the springtime. Can we sing it together? Little ducks go quack, 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 quack. Little ducks go quack, quack, quack in the springtime. What's quack, quack? When I go quack, 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 quack. Who makes that sound? ¿Quién hace ese sonido? The ducks, right? So that song's pretty easy to remember because we're pretty much just making duck noises the whole time, right? Let's do it one more time together. Little ducks go quack, 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 quack. Little ducks go quack, quack, quack in the springtime. Very good. In Spanish, the song goes like this. En español, la canción va así. Los patitos dicen quack, 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 quack. Los patitos dicen quack en la primavera. So what sound do ducks make in Spanish? ¿Qué sonido hacen los patos en español? Quack, 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 right? The ducks speak the same language. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's sing it together, nice and slow. Vamos a cantar una vez más despacio en español. Los patitos dicen quack is little ducks say quack. And then we pretty much quack, quack, quack for a while. And then en la primavera means in the springtime. Okay? So now you know what you're singing. It goes like this. Los patitos dicen quack, 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 quack. Los patitos dicen quack en la primavera. Can we do it one more time in English and then in Spanish? Una vez más en inglés y en español. Juntos? Okay, let's try it. La intentamos. Little ducks go quack, quack, quack. I forgot. Quack, 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 quack. Little ducks go quack, quack, quack in the springtime. All this quacking is getting to me. Los patitos dicen quack, 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 quack. Los patitos dicen quack en la primavera. Quack, 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 quack. He's saying hello, hola, quack, quack, quack. Okay, now we are going to learn how to make this patito. Ahora vamos a aprender cómo crear este patito. Okay, we're going to make this duck craft. Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Aquí vamos. So to create our duckling craft, you guys are going to need our take-home kit from the library. The Ottawa location has them at the front desk. You can go pick up your kit. And then you are also going to need a little bit of glue. Okay, ustedes pueden ir a la ubicación de Ottawa, de la Biblioteca. Ellos tienen los kits en el escritorio ahí. Son gratis. And you are also going to need, también ustedes van a necesitar un poco de pegamento. So we are going to open our kit. And see what's inside. Aquí tenemos nuestras cosas. So we have 2 pieces of yellow paper. We have 2 pieces of cupcake liner. Dos ojos, 2 eyes. Y una nariz. So we can begin. Podemos comenzar con la cabeza y el cuerpo. O puede ser la cabeza y el cuerpo. Aquí tengo un cuerpo más grande que la cabeza, pero aquí no. Ustedes sí El cuerpo está más grande que la cabeza, pero yo no. En este momento no. Okay, so we just take our glue, el pegamento en el cuerpo, un poquito pegamento, no mucho, and we make our head and our body. After this, you guys can start with the nose. Después, ustedes pueden poner la nariz ahí, o los ojos, o las alas, como quieran. I'm going to begin with the nose. Voy a comenzar con la nariz. So here, my nose is up higher on his face. Today, I'm going to put his nose a little lower. Así. Y la próxima cosa, para que pueda ver, so that he can see, I'm going to put his eyes on next. Un ojo. Whoop. You guys have sticker eyes. I have to glue my eyes on. Tengo que usar el pegamento para mis ojos, pero ustedes tienen como stickers para los ojos. Uy, ahí está. Ahora puede vernos. Now he can see us. Y después pongo las alas. Pongo las alas. Para que pueda volar, so that he can fly. Just a little bit. Y ahí están. Okay, now that you guys have your ducks made, ahora que ustedes tienen sus patitos creados, we're going to sing another duck song. Vamos a cantar otra canción sobre un patito. Actually, 6 patitos. 6 little ducks. It goes like this. 6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat one's skinny, one's fair, one's two. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. In Spanish, it goes like this. 6 patitos que yo conocí, gordos y flacos estaban ahí, pero había uno con pluma de atrás. Él fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Él fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. 6 patitos que yo conocí, 6 little ducks that I once knew, gordos y flacos estaban ahí. Chubby ones and skinny ones were all there together. Pero había uno con pluma de atrás, but there was one with a feather on his back. Él fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. He was the leader. Él fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. Right? So he was the leader, or he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Okay, to continue our story. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Okay? In español, in Spanish, it goes like this. Al río fueron para jugar, andaban bamboleando, pero él con pluma de atrás fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Él fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. Río fueron para jugar. To the river they went to play. Andaban bamboleando, like going along bumbling. Sort of like in English how we say wibble wobble, right? They don't have wibble wobble necessarily, but they andaban bamboleando. Okay? Pero el con pluma de atrás, the one with the feather on his back, fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. Él fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. We already know that means he was the leader, right? Él fue líder con un quack, quack, quack. Okay. Back from the river they would come, wibble wobble, ho, hum, hum. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Desde el río venían ya Bamboleando, ho, hum, hum, pero él con pluma de atrás fue líder con un cuac, 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 cuac. Él fue líder con un cuac, cuac, cuac. Okay, now you can take your little patito, your little duckling, and just go quack everywhere you want to, right? Quack, 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 quack. And you can see here are the two holes. If I can get them on my fingers, there we go. Here are the two holes that I cut so that he could be a puppet. So when you're done with your craft, if you want to make him into a puppet, you can. But if you don't have to. You can just, he stays on my fingers really good. You can just make him dance like this. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Bamboleando. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for helping. Gracias por mirar. Gracias por ayudarme. Hey, may you have a very good day. Que tengan un buen día. Adios, mis amigos. Goodbye, my friends.